With the latest satellite images, this is the location of cyclone Taute, which is over East Central Arabian Sea, around 220 kilometers south-southwest of Panji, Goa. And this is the image of the cyclone for using the Doppler weather radar installed at IMD Goa office. So what we can see is that the center of the cyclone is somewhere in the south-southwest or southwest direction, and it is approximately around 220 or 200 around kilometers from Goa. So in coming days and coming hours, exactly as IMD has already forecasted, the system is going to move um, north-northwestward direction. It is going to further intensify, and probably by today afternoon, today late evening, it will be a severe cyclonic storm, and by tomorrow early morning it will become a very severe cyclonic storm. And at that time, the wind speed over the sea, please note, I'm talking about the wind speed over the sea, that will be approximately 110 to 120 kilometers, gusting even up to 145 kilometers in tomorrow early morning. Even though the such a severe system is away from Goa, or it is over the sea, and approximately around 180 to 200 kilometers of 200 of kilometers away it will be from Goa. Still, there will be the impact of wind and heavy rainfall over Goa. So IMD had already forecasted that the wind speeds of 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70 kilometers per hour is very likely along and off Maharashtra and Goa coast on 15th, that is today. From late evening or night, the wind speed is going to pick up, and so will be the rainfall activity. And tomorrow, we are expecting the wind speed to further increase, and gale wind speeds reaching 60 to 70, gusting to 80 kilometers per hour is likely along and across, along and off the coast of Goa on 16th May. Sea conditions will be very rough, and it will be high over Maharashtra Goa coast, that is for applicable for Goa coast as well on 15th and 16th of May. So fishermen are, as it was informed earlier, they are requested not to venture into sea at any coast. Uh, Fishermen who were in high sea were already requested to come back to the coast, and total suspension of fishing activity is advised up to 18th of May. Apart from the warning for fishermen, there is port warnings that also has been issued for South Maharashtra and Goa coast. Uh, Local cautionary warning signal number 3, that is LC3, has been issued for South Maharashtra and Goa coast starting from Bangkok to Marmugao. Rainfall activity, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. If that persists for more than one day, there is a possibility that localized mudslides and rockfalls will take place. And with such high wind speed, we can expect power distribution getting affected, and there could be some structural damage such as slates and roofing tiles or sheets may get dislocated from the roofs. And the sea condition also will be high, so wave surge could be there, and possibility of localized and small scale coastal inundation also we have to expect. And now if we talk about the forecasted track, this is how it goes. The system will intensify, and it will keep on moving northwest direction, and its closest distance to Goa coast will be between 15th night and 16th early morning, and after that it will keep on moving away from Goa and towards the Gujarat coast. By 17th or 18th early morning, it is supposed to reach Gujarat coast. This is how the warnings were, which we already discussed, that high wind speeds gusting even up to 60 on 15th May, and gusting up to 80 kilometers per hour on 16th May is likely along and off the coast of Goa. On 15th, we are expecting 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 kmph. And on 16th, we are expecting gale winds of speed 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, gusting to 80 kilometers per hour. And heavy to very heavy rainfall, very likely at a few places on 15th and 16th of May. Uh, Now widespread rainfall activity is expected on 15th and 16th. From 17th onwards, the rainfall distribution will be decreasing. So it is requested that public please be regularly updated with the warnings and forecasts issued by IMD. The detailed forecast along with possible impacts also is available on IMD's website and also on social media platform accounts. Please be regularly updated. In these 3 days, if people are staying near vulnerable areas which are vulnerable for landslide or mudslide, also if they are staying near weak trees or something, they should be taking precautions. And population living in coastal areas should also be careful that there is possibility of wave surges at localized areas.